Hello and welcome to Third Coast Signs. In our video today, what we're going to do is take a look at our online design tool and the basics of using it. Now once you're in the online design tool, you'll see a number of tabs here to your left, which by default you'll begin on our settings tab, where you can change the size of your sign. You can also change the background color of the sign. And we also have a number of preloaded background images which we think you'll find useful for getting started quickly. There's a number of different categories and we are constantly updating these. So be sure and check back for new images that might be available. You can even add a border, for example. And you can also indicate whether your sign is single or double-sided. If you make it double-sided by default, we will print the same front and back on your sign unless you come to the back side and redesign a second image. Now in the tabs over here are all the other types of things that you can do for your sign, such as adding text. Now one thing that's a little different about our text than you might be used to is that instead of clicking on the text to change it, you're going to select over here under text properties is where you'll type the text. And from there it's very similar to any other text editor you might be working with, where you can change the font, you can change the color, and you can even rotate it, both here as well as grabbing the text directly and changing it. Now you can also add clip art, and like our backgrounds, we have a number of different categories of clip art that you can add, and these are being updated all the time. You can also upload your own image, where you would basically click on upload, search for your file, and then open it. I've already done so for the sake of time, because some larger images might take a little longer to upload. And then from there you can manipulate your object as needed. One thing that's very nice is that you can add a custom QR code. You can change the color of your QR code to a custom color and direct your QR code to either a website, an email address, a YouTube video, social media, and other things. Let's add a phone number here. Now one thing that's kind of interesting I do want to point out is that you can bring objects forward and backward. So for now the phone number is on top of our realtor, but we could put it behind her if that made more sense. In this case, obviously we want them to be able to see the phone number, so let's go ahead and bring it forward. Once your sign is ready to go, you can either save it, which will save it in your designs in your account once if you're logged in, and you can email it to yourself or share it with friends in social media. In this case, we're going to go ahead and just proceed to checkout, where you would confirm your quantity, approve your image, and add it to the cart. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for visiting Third Coast Signs.